Hi, my name's Janet. I'm a sales executive here at Bampton Meadows, a desirable development of 3, 4 and 5 bedroom homes in the village of Bampton. The Marford is one of our 4-bedroom detached homes at the development. It boasts a large open plan kitchen and dining area with double doors onto the garden. Lots of natural light floods in through the windows and it offers plenty of space for the whole family. The living room is very spacious and is the perfect place for family nights in. This room also opens onto the garden, allowing you to enjoy summer evenings outdoors. At the front of the home is a second reception room which can be used as a study, dining room, a snug or maybe a playroom for the children. To complete the ground floor you have a handy storage cupboard and a cloakroom which is combined with a utility room. Upstairs we have 4 double bedrooms and a main family bathroom. The first bedroom offers a modern ensuite shower room, whilst the other 3 are great sized doubles. You can secure the Marford using our part exchange scheme, where we buy your property, leaving you chain free with no agent's fees to pay. Book your appointment today to visit us at Bampton Meadows and take a look around for yourself.